In this video, we will discuss how to use Work Planner in Operations Center Web and Mobile, and how to start planned work in a Generation 4 display. Work Planner is a tool in Operations Center that allows you to create work plans online and wirelessly send them to equipment with JD-Link connectivity and a Generation 4 display. Work plans can be created in Operations Center Web or on the go with Operations Center Mobile. Either way, you can seamlessly create work plans from anywhere on any device. For the operator, Work Planner will simplify the in-cab experience by setting up a Generation 4 display quickly and easily. Work plans appear automatically on the display when the machine enters the field. This helps reduce confusion and in-field setup time and ensures you have documentation data you can count on. First, let's take a look at Work Planner in Operations Center Web. You can find Work Planner in the Plan menu. Work Planner is organized by the operation type and year. Notice the drop-down menu to sort by crop year and tabs that allow you to sort by tillage, seeding, application, or harvest. Let's create a work plan. We will create a plan for seeding 2022. To create a plan for any operation, select the Add button. Your first step is to add one or multiple fields to the plan. One piece of advice is to use the filters to help make selections based on historical data. This will help you plan work according to your crop rotation and improves your agronomic decision-making. For example, if all the fields planted with corn in 2021 will switch to beans in 2022, select the crop filter, then select Corn 2021 to reveal all the fields previously planted with corn. You can use the checkboxes to select the fields or select them from the map. Here we will include 2 fields in our work plan. On the next page, you'll provide additional information for the plan. This information will vary depending on the operation you have selected. In this example, our next step is to choose a crop. Here we will choose soybeans and select our variety. For seeding and application work plans, it's easy to set one target rate for all fields and then adjust the rate for specific fields as needed. You can also include field prescriptions. Here we will assign a prescription that we made using Agrian Prescription Creator. The next step is to add machine and implement profiles to the work plan. This helps prevent operator errors and reduces the need to set up the equipment information in the display, which can be especially time-consuming for high-use machines during busy seasons. You can add guidance tracks to the work plan so that the operator doesn't have to worry about setting up auto track. Select the Include All Guidance Tracks button if you would like to allow the operator to choose from all the available tracks for the field or fields. A preview of the guidance lines will help you confirm that you have chosen the correct ones. Adding an operator's name to the job keeps everyone on track, and their name and license number will be associated to the data their machine is sending back to Operations Center. Lastly, you can include additional details such as work order numbers and instructions. To finalize your work plan, click the Save button. Your newly created work plan will appear in the Planned Work list. The table previews additional information about the job, such as area, crop, rate, work order numbers, and more. If you want to find or review a particular work plan, use the Search feature or use the Filter buttons to easily find what you need and refine your plans. From here, you can use the additional functions in Work Planner. Mark the checkbox next to a work plan to make the buttons available. We all know plans can change. You can edit one or multiple plans at a time if needed. To edit planned work, select the plans you would like to edit, then the Pencil button. In the drop-down menu, select the detail you would like to edit. Here, we will change our piece of equipment and assigned operator. The Arrow button lets you send work plans to a Generation 4 display. Here you will see the default name for the file, and you can edit this if you would like. Machines that are able to receive data wirelessly are listed here. Select the machine or machines for the plan, then select the Send button. For non-connected machines, click Create without selecting equipment so that work plans can be downloaded from files to be transferred manually using the My Transfer app or a USB. The Check button marks the plan as complete. This allows you to remove work from Work Planner that has already been documented. To delete a plan entirely, select the Delete button. Operations Center Mobile syncs up with Operations Center Web so you can create and update work plans on your mobile device whenever you need to. After you sign in, select the Plan button. Much like Work Planner in Operations Center Web, Plan in Operations Center Mobile is organized by the operation type and year. Notice the drop-down menu to sort by crop year and tabs that allow you to sort by operation. Create a new work plan by selecting the Add button. Here is where you enter specific details to help guide your operators in the cab, including guidance tracks, prescriptions, varieties, target rates, and more. Select the down arrow to review the plan's details, make edits, or get driving directions to the field location. The drop-down menu has a few more functions. Use the Send to Equipment button to send work plans wirelessly to a machine for execution in the field. You can also prioritize the order of the work plans in the display or delete a plan if necessary. Let's review how to start planned work in a Generation 4 display. With the latest June 2022 software update, there is no need to import any files. After a work plan is sent to a connected machine, it will automatically pop up on your display. The operator will be prompted to start the work plan when the equipment enters the field boundary. Simply accept and begin work. Operators may review planned work in the Work Setup application by going to the Work List and then selecting the Planned tab. There are many informational articles to help you use Work Planner. Navigate to the Assistance menu and select Help Documentation. If you need assistance or have questions, be sure to reach out to your local John Deere dealer or contact John Deere customer support via the Contact Support button. In this video, you've learned how to proactively plan field work using Work Planner in Operations Center Web and Plan in Operations Center Mobile. Thanks for watching.